What if I told you that with just 3 ingredients you already have at home, you could make warm, chewy, chocolatey cookies in under 20 minutes? No flour, no sugar, no mixer, and absolutely no guilt. Here's what you need. 2 medium ripe bananas, and I mean ripe, the kind with brown spots on the peel, because the riper the banana, the sweeter your cookies. Next, 1.5 cups of rolled oats. That's about 4 ounces or 120 grams. And finally, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, around 1.5 ounces or 40 grams. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Peel your bananas and drop them onto a large plate. Now grab a fork, or a potato masher if you have one, and mash them up completely. You want no big lumps left. The smoother the banana, the better your cookies will hold together. Step 2. Add your oats directly onto the mashed banana plate. Give it a good stir until everything is combined. The oats are going to absorb the moisture from the banana. That's what holds your cookies together without any flour or eggs. Now toss in your chocolate chips and fold them in gently. Don't overmix here. You want those little pockets of chocolate to stay in chunks, so you get a good melt in every bite. Step 3. Shaping time. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of mixture and roll it into a ball, then gently press it down into a cookie shape. Repeat with the rest. Quick question for you while you're shaping these. Are you a thick cookie person or a thin, crispy cookie person? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm 100% team thick and chewy, but I know some of you love that crunch. Now, place your shaped cookies into your air fryer basket. No need to preheat, just line the basket with a piece of parchment paper to prevent sticking, and lay your cookies in a single layer. Don't overlap them, they need that hot air circulating all the way around. Set your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for 15 minutes. You'll know they're done when the tops look golden and set, and your kitchen smells absolutely incredible. And look at that! Golden, gorgeous, perfectly set cookies coming out of the air fryer. Let them cool for just 2 minutes before you bite in. I know it's hard, believe me, but that rest time lets them firm up just enough so they don't fall apart the moment you touch them. Oh man, chewy on the inside, slightly crisp on the outside, and those melted chocolate chips. If you enjoyed this recipe, do me a favour and hit that like button. It helps more people find this video, and honestly, more people deserve to know about these cookies. Subscribe to Emma Tips for more easy, healthy recipes that actually taste good. I'll see you in the next one.